Welcome back, Shayla, and in this tutorial, I just want to go over and review the Explore feature that is in all of our Google products, whether it's Google Sheets, Slides, or Docs. Now, to access the Explore feature, if you go up to your Tools tab, you'll see there's an Explore option here, but also in the right-hand corner, there's this little icon. This is the simplest way to access the Explore feature. Just click right on it, and it will pull up your sidebar. Now, to show you how this will change what your students are doing in class when they're researching, turning in assignments, and also how for yourself, if you start to create more resources on your own, a very simple way to cite the stuff you pull off of any type of article online or images. We all know, for example, that lions are the best animal in the whole entire world. And I now need to find something to back up my claim. So when I opened up my Explore option, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to search lions. And we'll have three ways to pull up information. We'll have anything on the internet with lions will come up. We will also have images of lions pulled up, and anything in my Google Drive that pertains to lions, whether it's previous documents, images, anything from sheets that's lions or closely related, images that I've taken from years ago could also pop up, but that'll all be there, and I can just add that directly into my document. Now, if I go to the internet and I'm looking for my scholarly article, I can click right on it, read through what they have, make sure it's appropriate, make sure it has the information I actually need for my assignment. And okay, sure it does. And I want to cite it. So if you look at these little quotation marks and you click on it, it's now just added a footnote right into my document. And the nice thing is, here's your full citation at the bottom of the page. So if you have students that are still not really sure how to cite their information properly, this has just eliminated that fear, that excuse they might give you. But what I really like about it is every now and then you might have to recheck a source that the students said they're using because maybe they didn't fully understand what the author was saying, or maybe they misread something. When they add this footnote in, it gives you the direct link to where they pulled that document from that you can now go back and read. From a teacher perspective, as I start to create more of my resources on my own, if I start to add these footnotes, students now have the ability that they can go directly to further enhance what they're learning. Maybe they really are interested in something we're doing in class and they want to read the full article. They have that ability as well. Now, in terms of pulling an image, let's just say we want to pull an image up. If you click directly on the image, it will tell you whether or not you can actually use that image or modify it, and we can insert it right into the document. Another simple way is you can just click right on the plus sign and it'll put it in. Now, in the past, I will take full credit and blame that I've never cited images in the past unless it was already listed. I've never required my students really to cite the images, and I really just want to smack myself in the back of the head for that because they've just stolen it. It's just like taking something from a book. Now, how do we give proper attribution to somebody that's made an image or taken a picture? If you click on the image, you will get the direct link. You can click right on that link, go to the page it's on. Wikipedia is really nice because everything is shared with their images on a common site. And if you go, for example, here this was on Wikipedia, and we click on use this file, all the information we need is right here. The full attribution of the author, the direct file link is right here, and all I need to do is copy this link. I can place that link right in, and I can go back, and also I can come right in and copy who the author is, and I can also place this right under my image. And if you want to shrink it down a little bit, and I've just now properly cited that image. And again, if we want our students to do what's right, this is a very simple way to get it done. Basically, when you're looking for your attribution, it's the same thing as a cited source. You're looking for the actual link it's being stored on. Right here, here's your photographer's name. here's what he's titled it, here's the license that says you can use this image. What I'll do is I will post two direct links of information that shows proper examples, improper examples, and what's needed for citing an image itself inside the document. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me an email or find me in school, and I'd love to help you out in any way and carry on this conversation. So thank you.